couple months ago I made a video about riding up this very parking garage.
Try not to annoy too many people coming through here.
I think we can do a little bit better this time. Let's go ahead and open that visor for full effect. Because this is what I wanted to capture. I wanted to capture the reverberations of the exhaust through this thing. That was my vision for the first one. But our technology at the time was not as advanced as we are now. We have reached stage 2. Well, not really. I just bought a better audio recorder. I also gained a little bit of skill, I think. Because if you notice, I'm going a little faster than I did last time. And it is loud in here, guys. Holy crap. And this is my stock. Well, it's my stock exhaust anyway. I was going to say this is my stock 2008 Honda Shadow Aero 750, but it's not stock. I mean, engine stock. But at some point down the line, it sounds pretty good, man. I like it. One of the previous owners thought it'd be a good idea to drill the baffles out to make this thing a little bit louder. It is definitely loud. That is for sure. Like, holy crap. Like, it's almost too loud in here, if that's such a thing. You know, the saying, you're too loud, you know, if it's too loud, you're too old. Well, I guess I'm too old, because this is friggin' loud. I mean, even just, like, idling through here, man. Because I'm, like, clutching, braking slightly on these curves. But it sounds like there's a monster running through here right now. Which I guess there is. It's this monstrous, you know, 750. Oh yeah, this is muchos better than last time, guys. There's someone up here doing God knows what. Oh, he's doing drone stuff. That's one thing I'd like to get is a drone. I just think I'd never use it. So we won't bother them too much. Let's head back down. But yeah, this monstrous 750, man, really comes alive in here. We do want to take it easy, though. I don't want to whip around this corner too fast. End up slamming into somebody. Because actually, why we're here during the week as opposed to a weekend. Which I figured it'd be emptier, but there's like almost nobody in this garage, man. This is, we wanted to fool around a bit. This will be the place to do it. Oh yeah. Listen to that. Really hoping this comes out all right. And that you guys are getting the full experience. Of course, if you have a motorcycle and there's a parking garage near you, if you want the full experience, I suggest taking her up there, man. Just to freaking check it out. It's like I like riding around the old back roads, like the country stuff too, man. But sometimes just cruising around the city, especially in like kind of urban areas built up. Well, I guess the city is urban. That's like freaking saying the same thing twice. I don't know. It's a different atmosphere. Especially when you're on a bike that looks this good and sounds this good. Give them one for the road. And actually, if we come around the corner, there's more free parking. My gosh, you guys, this is like a double treat. I've actually never been in this one. Like we're doing a little bit of urban exploration. They have dedicated motorcycle parking. Oh my gosh, guys. Like they want us to be here. Where is the motorcycle parking? Is it up top? It's because they knew we were going to ride up here. It's a reserved parking. See if we can find this motorcycle parking, guys. I'd park right there in that little... Oh, there it is. So the motorcycle parking is actually full spaces. I was curious how they were going to do that. That was a very optimistic line that lady was taking. So we got to be careful going through these garages. Yeah, this one's a little busier. Of course, this one's actually closer to the shops and other such things they have here in North Hills. Like I said in the last one, I'm more of a... I'm not exactly their target customer here, so we don't exactly come to North Hills that often. We just ride up and down their parking garages. Because these ones are free, and the ones downtown, I can't remember how those work, if they're like free during the week or I gotta pay, and I ain't dealing with that. Plus, then I gotta go downtown. Which, riding through it's not bad, but I mean, dude, I'm not parking and leaving my bike downtown. Are you nuts? Forget that noise. Oh, yeah. We're digging that, man. It's just fucking loud. Let everybody know we're coming. Get out of the way. Honda Shadow coming through. There's our friend the sun. Nobody on top of this one. See, imagine all the people in that building. That's where they park. There's that thing they're still working on. They're still working on the freaking apartments or whatever the hell it is. And there's a bunch of people over there who had to go to work today. That sucks, man. You got your cubicle stuff set up next to a window. You can't even look out of it. Ridiculous. And there's that other garage we were at. There's our drone friend doing his thing. I hope he has a good day. All right, back into the shadows with our Honda Shadow, ironically enough. This is actually a good chance to work on our braking and cornering as well. But God, it just reverbs in here so good, man. That noise is just like... I almost wish I wore earplugs. Starting to get into traffic a little bit. So we're gonna have to calm her down. Don't want to go too nuts, end up freaking getting creamed by somebody. Was a suit and tie man in that Mercedes right there. That was a nice freaking Mercedes, man. Just kind of looked up and was like, what's this guy? Oh, never mind. Hey, she got it figured out. Good for her. There's that lady there. We won't bother her. I was going to go out on the that first exit right there, but I didn't want to rev it in front of her. Oh, plus there's more garage. That's right. Trying to be respectful of the pedestrians and whatnot. One for the road. Now let's roll. So I'm glad we finally got to relive that experience. Ever since I've got the H1n recorder, I've wanted to remake that video. Because using the original Bluetooth audio, when I did it the first time, I mean, we all know it sucked, guys. All right, we ain't gotta friggin' say it, but the audio was not good. It did not turn out the way I wanted it to. I knew we could do better, and I guarantee we did this time. So thanks for hanging out, guys. If you want to check out the original video, you can do it right here. And yeah, I'm Lucky Aces. I'll see you guys next time. Y'all be good now. See ya.